Today I'm making stuffed shells with Italian sausage, ricotta, and a few other cheeses. I actually had totally forgotten about this dish until I saw a pic of the kids when they were little and it was on the table. And I was like, why is this not back on my monthly rotation? So here we are. It's like a cheesy little bite of lasagna and it's so, so good. And it comes together pretty quickly. Most of the cook time is in the oven. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. I'm using sweet Italian chicken sausage, but you can skip the meat altogether or use plant-based meat or ground beef, turkey, or chicken, totally up to you. Add your sausage to a pan with a little olive oil on medium-high heat. Spread the sausage and leave it untouched for about 3 to 4 minutes so it becomes nicely brown on one side. While your meat is browning, bring your water to a boil for your stuffed shells and salt your water. You're going to cook your shells 2 minutes short of al dente since they will finish cooking in the oven. Once your sausage is fully browned and you see no more pink, set it aside to let it cool. For our filling, we've got some ricotta. I've had some stuffed shells with cottage cheese, but I personally prefer ricotta, but it's totally up to you. I'm also adding in some grated low moisture mozzarella, some salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and some freshly ground black pepper. The egg will help bind all our ingredients. I also love adding in some fresh chopped parsley. I reserve about a tablespoon for garnish. If you have picky eaters that cringe at the sight of anything green, you can totally skip this step. Sometimes I have to make separate shells with just meat in the filling and no green, but if you figure out a way to hide the green, please let me know. I'm grating in some fresh Parmesan and Asiago cheese, but if you're in a pinch, it's okay to use pre-grated cheese as well. I'm then going to add in my cooled sausage and give that a mix. And although I know it looks super tasty, don't eat it. It does have that raw egg in it. I know it's tempting. Our shells are done, so I'm just going to strain them and then top them with cold water just to stop them from cooking while we're preparing our shells. Line the bottom of your baking dish with about half of your marinara sauce. If you've got homemade marinara sauce, that's absolutely amazing. But if you don't, I love Rao's marinara sauce. It works great and it tastes amazing. I'm using a large soup spoon to fill my shells. I find that it equals to the perfect amount. Depending on your baking dish, you can fit about 20 to 25 shells, and there probably will be some spillover, so you can make another dish with no cheese or just cheese. Totally up to you. I had about like 6 shells spill over that I baked with these. You're going to top it with the rest of your marinara sauce, our reserved Parmesan, and our reserved mozzarella, and we're going to cover it and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes, and then we're going to remove the foil and broil for 2 minutes. Let's fast forward time and they're done. Top with your reserved parsley et voila, it's ready to serve. Look at that cheese pull. We love our shells to be saucy and cheesy in my house, and I think our mission is accomplished. Serve it alongside a nice salad or some veggies just for some balance. I promise you won't be disappointed. Look at this cheese pull. Yum. I can't wait to eat it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bon appetit.